Well, good day there. We're in the garage tonight and we're working on my new to me 2018 Skidoo 850 Renegade XRS. And from what I've heard, these 850s have weak engine mounts. So this is what we're going to do. So I ordered this polyurethane torque stopper from Grip and Rip Racing. I've watched a couple videos on these and guys seem to have good luck with them, so we're gonna give her a go here, see how we make out. So I got the bolt pulled out. I got some light shed on the situation here, and it's not in there very tight at all. You can just put a little pick in and just pull it out. And that's what we're looking for. So here's the stock one, and they say to take this shim, get rid of it, take the old rubber O-ring one, which is quite soft, get rid of that too. This one's a lot stiffer. It says to reuse this little spacer. So just grab that, stick her back in. So once you get her in there, they suggest you add some blue Loctite. Little extra insurance. And once you get it to 18 foot-pounds, or one good snug hand turn, she's all set. The instructions say to take the hood off, but I did it without it just fine, so there you go. Hopefully that fixes the blowing belt issues. So I've got these saddlebags to put on. They're the Skidoo Linq ones. And they have another little bracket they use as well as the Linq mounts. I already got this one on this side. Just looks like that. There's already a dimple where you need to drill the hole. You can kind of see there's another one down there. But anyways, you just drill a hole. I used a 17/64 bit. And then you just put that little bad boy on, thread her in from the back, and that's all there is to that. So I've got these mirrors to put on. They just go right on the handguards. You flip out, you can adjust them. They're not too hard to put on. You have to drill 2 holes in the handguards. They already have little dimples where to drill the holes for you, so that's nice. You just drill that smaller hole there. And then that half of the bracket sits on there. And this other part slips through there. Anyways, you get the idea. So to put the 2 halves of the bracket on, it's just one little torque screw that holds them on. And there's one more torque screw that holds the mirror on. That's all there is to that. pretty easy. So I've got a Skidoo windshield to put on this because I really don't want to freeze, and these don't come with a windshield. You have to pop these little side covers off, and there's just a stock trim piece you pull off of there. Another one on that side. Now let's get this on. So the windshield comes in 3 pieces. I've got it put together here. It's just 3 Torx screws. 1, 2, 3. There's no instructions. They say to have it done at a BRP dealer for safety reasons, but there it is. And it comes with these little rubber grommets. You have to push them in there. And to make them go in easier, put a little bit of WD-40 on them or something, and they'll just slide right in. Well, there it is put on. That wasn't too hard. Just snaps right on there. Just need to get some snow now. Go for a ride.